I'm Jordan from Talifa24, and today guys I have fascinating things regarding Coinmarketcap. And today's video guys I'm going to show you how to earn some Coinmarketcap diamond. So guys, stay tuned to watch this video and full so as you can learn how you can earn Coinmarketcap diamond, and that Coinmarketcap will use it in the future. So guys, in this tutorial video you will learn how to earn Coinmarketcap diamond like this, and how to earn Coinmarketcap NFT, how to sell those Coinmarketcap, and the most and fantastic things you will learn the different ways you can use to get a Coinmarketcap diamond. So guys, stay tuned, subscribe to my YouTube channel so as you cannot miss any video that I will upload. So just subscribe and hit the subscribe button and notification bell so as you get anything I will post regarding with different ways to make money online, especially in crypto space. So guys, let's get started. So the first thing you need to know guys, if you are not yet signed up on Coinmarketcap, I created the video regarding how to create a Coinmarketcap account like a pro. So if you're not yet signed up, click on create an account. The video is in the description on how you can create a Coinmarketcap account. But if you already have a Coinmarketcap account, just click on login. In my case, I already signed up on Coinmarketcap, so I log in my account so as I can start the process of creating the process of earning some Coinmarketcap diamond. So I put my email over here, then I put my password. Then I click on login. After that, you need to solve the captcha. So I will scroll this puzzle like this. So as you can see, I'm successfully logged in my Coinmarketcap account. So once you log in, so now what is the process and how you can earn those Coinmarketcap diamond? So I'm going to show you. So after successfully logging your account, click on your profile, your Coinmarketcap profile like this. So once you click on your profile, you see the different setting. So in my case, there is the account setting, my diamond, leave the program, launch screen, switch to my mode, etc. So our issue is a Coinmarketcap diamond. So you click on Coinmarketcap diamond. So once you click here, you will see you can see here my diamonds. I already collected the diamond, and today I will collect another diamond. So guys, the first ways on how to earn Coinmarketcap diamond is through collecting it daily. So every day you come here and you click on collect diamond. In my case, I already collected some of my Coinmarketcap diamond, so you can collect it in every day. For instance, in day 1 you get 10 Coinmarketcap diamond, in day 2 you get 10, day 3 you get 10, but in day 4 you get 20 Coinmarketcap diamond. Even in day 5, then day 6 you get 20 Coinmarketcap diamond, but in day 7 you get 15 Coinmarketcap diamond. But if you don't collect a Coinmarketcap in a sequence or in a series, you will get a Coinmarketcap diamond which is 10. but today it is collection day, so I will click on collect. So today I will get 10 Coinmarketcap diamond. That means on Sunday I get 50 Coinmarketcap diamond. So today I will click on collect diamond. So once I click on collect Coinmarketcap diamond, I will solve this captcha like this. We scroll until this puzzle fit over here, and then after that done, you have collected 10 Coinmarketcap diamond. You can see over here. Then click on your OK. So tomorrow I will come over here to claim my other 10 Coinmarketcap diamond. As you can see the history of what I collected so far. As you can see on yesterday I collected 50 Coinmarketcap diamond, and the other day 20, 10. So this is the first way to collect or to earn Coinmarketcap diamond. And another ways, guys, on how to collect or to earn Coinmarketcap diamond is to do referral program. You know, guys, this Coinmarketcap diamond will have the utility in the future, so it is a time now to collect it as much as possible, as much as you can. Will be have a value on future, as they already say that you will be able to buy some NFT and earn some praise from Coinmarketcap. So the second way is to earn those Coinmarketcap diamond is through the referral program. So as you can see here in your menu, once you click on profile, you can see the referral program right here. But the referral program has a limitation. You need to have at least 20. You need to have 20 Coinmarketcap diamond in order to participate in the referral program. You can, if you want to join the referral program, you can sign up for the referral program, and then you can invite your friend to download and use Coinmarketcap diamond and collect those diamonds that will be useful or will be have a value in the future. So guys, this is 2 ways on how to collect Coinmarketcap diamond. So the next step, once you can ask yourself, how I will use this Coinmarketcap diamond? What is the value of this Coinmarketcap diamond? So according to Coinmarketcap team, said that this diamond will have a value in future. As you can read over here in their application, they say that Coinmarketcap is launching loyalty reward program for user here. So they already show you how you can earn those Coinmarketcap diamond. You can read over here, and on how to spend it, you can read over here and see how you can spend your Coinmarketcap diamond. As you can see, they say that once you have accumulated some Coinmarketcap diamond, you'll be able to spend them in the future at our Coinmarketcap diamond reward store on items like Coinmarketcap merch, NFT, and more. Our Coinmarketcap diamond program is just getting started. Check back to see what other ways you can earn and spend diamond in the future. So they have a program in the future on how you can spend the Coinmarketcap diamond you have earned. For instance, you can participate or you can spend them in Coinmarketcap diamond reward store, or you can use them to buy items like Coinmarketcap merch, or you can use them to earn and spend Coinmarketcap and NFT. You can see this NFT. We'll be able to claim this once we have some of Coinmarketcap diamond. This is NFT. So this is how you can spend those Coinmarketcap diamond you have earned. And another thing is here, guys, in this section you can see the diamond reward you get every day and how much you earn. For instance, now I'm already earning like 320 diamond, Coinmarketcap diamond. You can see my reward over here. Now I don't have a reward, but in the future I will have a reward. In the section of readerboard, you will see the ranking of those who collect the Coinmarketcap diamond. You can see the user who accumulated much of Coinmarketcap diamond. You can see here this guy have already accumulated a lot of Coinmarketcap diamond, and he or she will use it in future diamond, Coinmarketcap diamond NFT to buy NFT and the other item that Coinmarketcap team will put you on place. So guys, this is how you can earn or you can accumulate a Coinmarketcap diamond and how you can spend those Coinmarketcap diamonds. So guys, just spare your time to subscribe my YouTube channel in this video, then hit the notification button so as you don't miss any video that I will upload. And don't forget to join my community in Facebook and Telegram so as you can get those videos that I will upload in YouTube. I will share also in my Telegram groups and channel, as well as my Facebook groups and page. Guys, thank you for watching. Bye.